Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Tiguan R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a deep black pearl finish with the upgraded black styling pack as well. This car is being used to demonstrate some mileage is due to change, but it's being well maintained. We have the stunning 20-inch York black alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, creating a really captivating look. An upgraded factory-fitted tow bar with electric release, including trailer assist as well, and a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside. As you can see, the car also features Harman Kardon sound system. We have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the center console, and USB-C inputs. Over here you can see we do have the ability to actually use the panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, creating a really captivating look to this vehicle, and it's been well maintained during its life cycle. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles, showing key information like your driving data, audio, and your navigation whilst on the move. You have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozy winter experience. And over on the left hand side, we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety, and a layer of comfort throughout your everyday travels. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into our drive mode selection with the 4 different drive modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive. Individual allowing you to tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. As we access our heated seats, we have an element of warmth and comfort with 3 different heat intensities to choose from. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there. And the car also features the ability to use the massage seat. 3 different massage techniques to choose from, providing maximum comfort value, and this is the same for you and your front passenger. As you can see here, going into our park distance control with our rear camera alongside our parking sensors as well, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. And you can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse. On the approved used vehicle, this vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.